If your mouse cursor is disappearing in Google Chrome on PC, don't worry. This is usually a browser setting, a graphics issue, or a temporary Windows glitch, and in this video I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it using only your keyboard. So even if you can't see or use your mouse properly, you can still follow along step by step. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe because I upload practical tech tutorials that save you time and frustration. Let's get into it. The first fix is to toggle hardware acceleration in Chrome. This is one of the most common reasons the cursor disappears, because Chrome's graphics setting can conflict with your system or GPU and cause display problems. Since your cursor is missing, we'll do this using only keyboard shortcuts. Press Alt and F or Alt and E to open the Chrome menu, then use the down arrow key to highlight settings and press Enter. Once the settings page opens, press Tab until you reach the left sidebar menu. From there, press the down arrow key repeatedly until you highlight System, then press Enter. Now keep pressing Tab until you land on the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. When that option is selected, press the spacebar to turn it off. After that, press Tab again until you reach the relaunch button, then press Enter. Chrome will restart with hardware acceleration disabled, and in many cases that immediately brings the cursor back. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to try is forcing Chrome's internal process to restart. Sometimes a frozen tab, a bad extension, or a corrupted rendering process can make the cursor disappear inside the browser. To do this, press Shift and ESC on your keyboard to open Chrome's built-in task manager. Then press Tab to move into the process list. Use the arrow keys to scroll down until you find the process labeled GPU process. Once it is highlighted, press Tab until the End Process button in the bottom right corner is selected, then press Enter. Chrome will stop that graphics process and automatically reload the browser interface, which often restores the missing cursor right away. If your video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy fixes, and leave a comment if you want a tutorial for another Chrome or Windows issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.